Hello everyone. So now we are starting with our entire portion that we are going to actually teach for innovation and entrepreneurship. तो ये वाला portion exactly क्या है? This is a subject that is in the CMAT exam जो literally अब तक कभी भी था नहीं, मतलब बस लास्ट 2-3 साल में आया है. दिस इज नॉट एन एग्जैक्ट सब्जेक्ट जिसके लिए रिटन नोट्स है. अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव बीन सेड अबाउट दिस कि इसमें क्या है नहीं पता, इसमें कैसे है करना है नहीं पता. So we have over the past few years of the CMAT exam figured out that what are the things involved in this? How can we teach you innovation and entrepreneurship? It's a thing that is innately in people, but this is definitely a learned skill also. मैं तुम्हें सिखा सकता हूँ that कैसे innovation और entrepreneurship को manage करना है. Having been taught this entire subject as an actual subject at JBIMS, I know the real nitty-gritties of actually innovation and entrepreneurship होता क्या है. On top of that, having been a business owner myself, having worked in a business, a family business for 2 years, after that having started and shut a business and then started Crack Every Test, I know exactly what makes a business, what builds a business, what breaks a business, and what ends in business. So yeah, this is the entire portion that we have. This is the entire lecture series that we are making for innovation and entrepreneurship. So welcome to Crack Every Test Innovation and Entrepreneurship course. So let's start with it, guys. Innovation and Entrepreneurship, the entire course by Crack Every Test. We are putting a lot of effort into making this course for you. So hopefully you guys appreciate this because बहुत ज़्यादा effort लगा है. We have divided the entire syllabus based on everything that I have learned. I have read everything based on my notes out of my own innovation and entrepreneurship subject in JBIMS. I have made this entire syllabus. इसमें सब कुछ कवर्ड है. सो एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, इनोवेशन मैनेजमेंट, स्टार्टअप्स के फंडामेंटल्स, बिजनेस मॉडल्स अलग अलग, बेसिक्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांस नहीं पर बेसिक्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा कवर किए हैं. फंडिंग रिलेटेड, द टाइप्स ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट, ये तुम्हारा करंट अफेयर्स और वो सब के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस, द बिगेस्ट मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, विच यू शुड नो. एंड फाइनली अ लॉट ऑफ टर्म्स फॉर इनोवेशन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. ये पूरा का पूरा कवर होने वाला है. आई विल कवर ऑल ऑफ दीज इन वन वीडियो. तो तुम्हें टोटली 11 वीडियोस का पूरा अपना सॉरी या तुम्हें 11 वीडियोस का पूरा एक सिलेबस मिलने वाला है इन विच एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू इनोवेशन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज गोइंग टू बी कवर्ड. एंड तुम्हें इसके ऊपर और कुछ भी और पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट, आफ्टर एवरी चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू कीप अ टेस्ट. तो वो टेस्ट में इसमें क्वेश्चंस है, एमसीक्यूज विच वी हैव मेड, एंड बाद में उसका आंसर की. Everything is covered, so you will get syllabus, understanding and the questions related to it. सब कुछ इसी में मिल जाएगा. So yeah. For the people who are Crackavity students, you guys get the entire syllabus just तुम्हारे कोर्स के साथ, तो तुम्हें और कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता. The people who are watching this on YouTube, so we are putting this up on YouTube to help out the students who cannot afford a course. तो for you, all you can do is हर लेक्चर के पहले I will give a target कि ये लेक्चर के बाद अगर तुम्हें अगला लेक्चर चाहिए, then you guys have to like and comment on the video. इतने लाइक्स एंड इतने कमेंट्स का टारगेट मैं हर लेक्चर के साथ तुम्हें देने वाला हूँ. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट. दिस विल बी बेनिफिशियल टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड होपफुली यू अप्रिशिएट द एफर्ट दैट हैज बीन पुट इन बाय मी एंड द एंटायर क्रैक एवरी टेस्ट टीम. लेट्स स्टार्ट. So the first chapter that we have is entrepreneurship basics. Now, entrepreneurship is basically the process of identifying a business opportunity, organizing resources, taking risks to create and manage a venture that aims to generate profit or achieve social impact. बेसिकली एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज एनी बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी जो तुम रिकॉग्नाइज करो, उसके लिए सोर्सिंग करो, रिस्क उठाना पड़ता है बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कभी क्या गलत चला जाए, यू माइट मेक अ ह्यूज लॉस. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल क्रैक एवरी टेस्ट, वी हैव स्पेंट probably 40 to 45 lakhs till now just to develop our entire software till now. What if it does not work? There is a huge risk, but that is the point. When you're passionate about something, you put in risk into it. It is a driving force behind innovation, economic growth, job creation and societies across the globe. ओवरऑल ग्लोब सबसे पुराना अगर कुछ भी है तो वो है entrepreneurship. People have been doing this for the longest time. Entrepreneurs are individuals who possess the vision, creativity, and determination to transform an idea into viable enterprise, often overcoming numerous challenges in the process. Numerous छोड़ो, it is innumerable. तो या बहुत ज्यादा चैलेंजेस आते हैं. Now, the concept of entrepreneurship. At its core, entrepreneurship basically involves recognizing gaps in the market and addressing them through the innovative solutions. Just like Crackitus में, I realized that okay, market में कोई भी student पे personalized attention नहीं दे रहा है. There is nobody who is literally able to personalize the preparation based on the student's strengths, weaknesses, and everything. That is where I saw a gap. I immediately conquered it, and right now Crackitus is a big thing. This can take various forms: launching startups जैसे मैंने किया, creating a new product or service, introducing a novel approach to an existing industry. That is what Crackibility is. It's a novel approach to an existing industry. Entrepreneurs often take calculated risks to explore uncharted territories, driven by potential for financial rewards, personal satisfaction, or societal contributions. Entrepreneurship is not limited to starting a business. It can also mean intrapreneurship. इसका मतलब जैसे for example is Sundar Pichai. Google Chrome as an idea was the idea of Sundar Pichai. He was already a part of Google. He decided okay, we need a browser, और वो browser Google का अपना रहेगा. It will have more features. All of this was done by him while he was already working at Google. So that means he was an entrepreneur, but he was working under a company. Okay, so this is what an intrapreneur means. The approach fosters a culture of creativity and problem solving, enabling established companies to remain competitive and adapt to changing market conditions. ठीक है? Now, characteristics of an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur needs these characteristics. उसमें एक proper vision होना चाहिए. So he should know exactly what is guiding them, what is he trying to chase, and only if I have a good vision can I tell others to join the mission that we have. Risk taking. Obviously, it's a huge risk. Calculated risk लेना पड़ता है. Failure often is a stepping stone to success is an important thing to understand with entrepreneurship. Innovation. You have to keep finding new and new ways to address the challenges. जो भी कुछ नया है वो problems को address करने के लिए you need to innovate continuously. You cannot stop even once. Resilience. It is an extremely tough thing. You need to understand there will be obstacles. There will be people trying to pull you down. Literally this year, like at least CET 25K through, CET and CMAT 25K through, we sent 69 students to JBIMS and SIMSRI. Right? But now there are reports who are claiming, obviously competitors are spreading it कि ये सब fake है. Now I have the details of each and every student and you can call them. But the point is ये सब होता ही रहेगा. It is always going to happen. People जो दूसरों को cheat करते they'll always try to pull others down. And this happens in every industry. You look at Reliance. बहुत सारे लोग Reliance को pull down करते हैं. अदानी को pull down करने की try करते हैं. There are extremely good companies in each and every domain जिनको लोग pull down करने की try करेंगे ही. Adaptability. We need to keep changing. Need to keep innovating. We need to keep understanding market trend. ये हुआ, let's change. Unforeseen challenges कभी भी आ सकते हैं. And finally, leadership. Entrepreneurs need to be able to lead the teams. You need to show them क्या करना है and need to show them the benefit in doing it. सारे अगर efforts सबके aligned है तो तुम एक common goal that is growth उस पे पहुंच पाओगे. Now, types of entrepreneurship. Small business entrepreneurship. This involves establishing and managing small scale business. Primary serve local markets such as retail stores, restaurants, and service providers. Startup entrepreneurship. Startups are characterized by their focus on innovation, scalability, and rapid growth. They often operate in technology driven industries and seek to disrupt traditional markets. इसका एग्जाम्पल तो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. स्टार्टअप में एज आई कैन से Crackebility, Zerodha. सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, आवाज. ये एक सोशल कॉज के लिए फाइट करते हैं. दीज आर वंस हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन, ये सब के लिए ये लोग काम करते हैं. Now, corporate entrepreneurship is known as entrepreneurship that occurs within large organizations where employees are encouraged to innovate and develop new businesses. Google का all products, Google products. एंड फाइनली इको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, दीज आर बेसिकली एनवायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी के लिए ये जो प्रोजेक्ट्स किए जाते हैं वो सब इको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली इफ इट कैन बी कॉल्ड दैट और नॉट, बट आई कैन से दैट वंतारा वॉज मेड फॉर सस्टेनिंग एनिमल्स, लाइक एनिमल्स को बचाने के लिए वंतारा बना गया था. दिस इज बाय जियो. ओके. Importance of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship plays a pivotal role in shaping economies and its societies. It is significant. Its significance can be understood through following contributions. Economic growth होता है. Innovation, नई नई चीजों, नई नई challenges को इनोवेट करने के लिए वो लोग टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट लाते हैं, लीडिंग टू ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग सॉल्यूशंस. Wealth creation. Obviously, startups contribute a huge amount to the overall wealth. Entrepreneurs, employees, governments, investors, जो भी stakeholders होते हैं सबके लिए wealth creation होता है. There is social impact. Socially, there is so much that entrepreneurs do. They help out with societal issues. They improve the living standards of everybody around them. एंड इम्प्रूव ओवरऑल इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ होता है, जो भी इन्वॉल्व है उन सबका ग्रोथ होता है. एंड फाइनली कल्चरल शिफ्ट्स. अ लॉट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एक्चुअली मेक अ कल्चरल चेंज. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हु हैव डेवलप्ड थिंग्स इन द फील्ड जहाँ पे पहले टैबू गिना जाता था, जहाँ पे सेक्सुअल सेफ्टी और पर्सनल हाइजीन. नाउ ऑल ऑफ दीज ब्रिंग आउट अ कल्चरल शिफ्ट. ये सबके लिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Now, challenges. Which are the big challenges that you face in entrepreneurship? First of all, access to capital. Everything comes at a price. Just because you are a startup, तुम्हें कुछ भी free नहीं मिलता है. Does not work for you, तो you will have to put in your own money. तुम्हें बाकी लोग पैसा भी नहीं देंगे ट्रस्ट करके. Market competitors. Market competitors not only pose a risk, वो तुम्हारा यूनिक वैल्यू प्रॉपोजिशन चुराने की ट्राई करेंगे. They will try to bring you down. There are multiple things that can happen. रेगुलेटरी बैरियर्स. गवर्नमेंट हैज रूल्स फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज जो तुम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. बहुत सारी बार ये रिस्ट्रिक्शंस बन जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ड्रीम इलेवन राइट नाउ शट डाउन बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट ने रेगुलेटरी बैरियर लगा दिया कि चलो अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, अब तुम काम नहीं कर सकते. अनसर्टेनिटी. अगेन मार्केट डिमांड चेंज हो गया, इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट आ गया. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस इज टाइपराइटर्स. Okay. And finally, work-life balance. Trust me, I have an office. I sleep here at least once or twice a week. मैं यहीं पे सो जाता हूँ, मुझे घर जाने का टाइम नहीं है. And I'm a married man. It is that difficult because work-life balance कभी कभी नहीं ही मिलता. So this is an actual thing that is very close to home. Work-life balance is a huge problem when it comes to entrepreneurship when you're trying to build something actually incredible. Now, again, challenges. Entrepreneurship is an actual dynamic and rewarding endeavor that requires combination of vision, perseverance, and adaptability. By embracing challenges and leveraging opportunities, entrepreneurs drive innovation, create jobs, and contribute to social progress. Whether launching small business or high growth startup, the entrepreneur spirit is essential for fostering economic and social development in an ever evolving world. दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर. नाउ लेट्स टेस्ट दैट तुमने जो भी अब तक हमने किया है उसमें से तुम कैसे समझे, कितना समझे. Before that, I would like to tell you that the target, if you guys want the second chapter, जैसे मैंने ये explain किया, for the people who are Crackit students, we need not worry about it. For the people who are not Crackit students, you guys will get a target कि हमें इतने likes और इतने comments चाहिए. ये हर एक chapter के साथ तुम्हें मिलेगा. So for the first chapter, if you guys want the second chapter, we basically need likes and comments. We'll start a little slow. Let's have like 250 likes and 150 comments. ठीक है? If you get this, then you obviously get the second chapter and आगे ऐसे ऐसे हम पूरा portion भी डाल सकते हैं. चल. Also, if you guys want the access to the entire course immediately, along with this आपको GK चाहिए, innovation and entrepreneurship, and आपको CMAT के mocks और सब कुछ चाहिए, and along with that our live lectures for all the portion, then you can go in for the CMAT का full course that we have. And if you are very genuine about getting colleges like JBIMS and SIMSRI, then CET Elite Advantage and Essential RR courses, जिसमें सारी चीजें included है. These many number of live sessions जो और कोई भी नहीं लेता है. 94 high quality tests for CET. And these many tests just for CMAT. A personalized ABC analysis for all students for each and every mock. Updated books and our doubt solving along with our counseling sessions. This is what is included. Everything that you need to prepare for JBMS and Sims 3 right there. Okay? Let's go. Entrepreneurship is best described as managing an existing government organization, identifying an opportunity, organize. Okay, you guys just look at this, try to answer this by yourself. पहले ऐसा करते, the best way to do it is actually make it like a test. तुम्हें यहाँ पे मैं सारे questions दिखाऊंगा 1, 2, 3 and 4 and you have to mark the answers here. I hope you took your time and actually solved it. It is B. Which of the following is not correct? It is restricted to only C, B. B. Fifth one. Which characteristic of successful entrepreneurs is most likely related to bouncing back after setbacks? Resilience. A new venture that technology driven focuses on rapid growth and aims to disrupt traditional markets fits best under startup entrepreneurship. A venture that creates products or services to reduce ecological impact and promote green practices is an example of eco entrepreneurship. Which of the following is not listed as an importance of entrepreneurship in your notes? जो अब तक हमने किया वो. Economic growth, cultural shift, wealth creation, monopolistic pricing. This is not covered. Difficulty in getting funds in the early stages of a venture is primarily a challenge of access to capital. And finally, standing out in a crowded market by offering unique value proposition and using effective marketing strategies corresponds to which challenge? Using effective marketing strategies. इसमें क्या मार्क करूंगा मैं? Market competition, I would say. Yes, market competition is what I would say. Option B here. ठीक है, let's just see हमने जो मार्क किया है वो सही है या नहीं. BC, BBC, BC, BBC and BC, DCB. BCDCB. Perfect, we are right. So this was a test for innovation and entrepreneurship का first chapter. I hope you guys have understood everything. A very interesting subject by itself and genuinely one subject that is actually useful to you. So yeah, I hope you guys have understood this. Let's move on to the next chapter.